Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation with our countdown of the top 8 coolest gadgets you will want to buy. All available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech lover, a gadget guru, or just someone looking to upgrade your daily life, we've got something for everyone. From smart home devices to unique tools that make life easier, you won't want to miss this. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So let's jump right in. 8. USB magnetic cable. The USB magnetic cable is a versatile and innovative charging solution designed to enhance convenience and efficiency. Featuring a unique magnetic connection, this cable simplifies the charging process by allowing users to easily snap their devices into place without the hassle of aligning ports. This design not only makes it user-friendly, especially for those with limited mobility, but also reduces wear and tear on device charging ports, extending their lifespan. The cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets thanks to interchangeable magnetic tips. In addition to its practicality, the USB magnetic cable offers fast charging capabilities, ensuring that devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. Built with durable materials, it withstands everyday wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for users on the go. Its tangle-free design further enhances portability, allowing it to easily fit into bags or pockets without the mess of traditional cables. 7. Baseus Echo G02. The Baseus Echo G02 is a cutting-edge multifunctional wireless charger that combines sleek design with impressive performance. This device supports fast charging for a variety of smartphones and accessories, making it ideal for tech enthusiasts who value efficiency. With its built-in safety features, including overcharge protection and temperature control, the GH02 ensures your devices are charged safely and reliably. Its compact and stylish design fits seamlessly into any workspace or home environment, while the non-slip surface keeps your devices secure during charging. The Baseus Echo GH02 is compatible with multiple devices, from smartphones to earbuds, and even smartwatches, making it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. 6. Machen KTT4. The Machen KTT4 is a high-performance gaming keyboard designed for serious gamers and enthusiasts alike. Featuring a sleek, ergonomic design, it prioritizes comfort during long gaming sessions while offering customizable RGB lighting to enhance your setup's aesthetics. The mechanical key switches provide tactile feedback and fast response times, ensuring precision and accuracy in every keystroke. Equipped with programmable keys, the KTT4 allows users to create macros and shortcuts tailored to their gaming style, giving them a competitive edge. Its sturdy build quality ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for intense gaming marathons. Additionally, the keyboard comes with anti-ghosting technology. 5. Trexo Pro V2. The Trexo Pro V2 is an innovative robotic gait training device designed to assist individuals with mobility impairments, such as those resulting from spinal cord injuries or neurological conditions. Its primary aim is to help users regain independence and improve their walking abilities through advanced robotic support. Key features of the Trexo Pro V2 include customizable settings that accommodate various user needs, enabling personalized gait training. The user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both users and therapists, while real-time feedback provides insights into performance and progress. The device is typically portable, allowing for use in both rehabilitation facilities and home environments. This versatility makes it easier for individuals to engage in consistent therapy. The benefits of the Trexo Pro V2 extend beyond physical mobility. Regular use can enhance strength, coordination. 4. Tong Drum 2.0. The Tong Drum 2.0 is an exceptional musical instrument designed to provide a soothing and immersive sound experience. Crafted from high-quality steel, this handpan features multiple tuned tongues, each producing harmonious notes that resonate beautifully when struck. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to play, whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner exploring rhythm for the first time. This versatile instrument is ideal for meditation, relaxation, and therapeutic sessions, as its calming tones can help reduce stress and promote mindfulness. The Tong Drum 2.0 is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings, music therapy sessions, or personal practice at home. With various scale options available, players can create a wide range of melodies and explore different musical styles. The instrument is not only visually appealing with its sleek finish, but also designed for durability. 3. AirFrog Nano Mist Sprayer. The AirFrog Nano Mist Sprayer is a compact and innovative device designed to deliver a fine mist of moisture, making it perfect for skincare enthusiasts and those seeking instant hydration. Its sleek and portable design allows for easy use at home, in the office, or on the go, ensuring your skin stays refreshed throughout the day. Equipped with advanced nano mist technology, this sprayer generates ultra-fine particles that penetrate the skin more effectively than traditional spray bottles. This ensures deep hydration, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. The AirFrog Nano Mist Sprayer is user-friendly, with a simple one-button operation, making it accessible for everyone. The device is also versatile. 2. SoBro Smart Side Table. The SoBro Smart Side Table is a stylish and multifunctional piece of furniture designed for modern living. Blending contemporary aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, this smart table serves as both a functional side table and a hub for connectivity and entertainment. Equipped with built-in Bluetooth speakers, the SoBro allows you to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts seamlessly, creating a perfect atmosphere for relaxation or social gatherings. The table also features USB charging ports and wireless charging capabilities, ensuring your devices are always powered up and within reach. One of its standout features is the adjustable LED lighting, which can be customized to suit your mood or decor. 1. Garden Raised Garden Bed Kit. The Raised Garden Bed Kit is an ideal solution for gardening enthusiasts looking to cultivate plants in a controlled and accessible environment. Designed for ease of assembly, this kit typically includes pre-cut wooden boards or sturdy metal panels, allowing you to quickly set up a garden bed that elevates your planting area. By raising the soil level, these beds promote better drainage, reduce weed growth, and make gardening tasks more ergonomic, minimizing strain on your back and knees. The contained space also helps maintain soil quality and temperature, leading to healthier plants and bountiful harvests. Many kits come in various sizes, accommodating everything from small herbs to larger vegetables and flowers. With its modular design, you can easily expand or rearrange your garden layout to suit your needs. The raised garden bed also adds a decorative element to your outdoor space, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your garden. Perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners, this kit offers a convenient way to grow your favorite plants, encouraging sustainable practices and home gardening enjoyment. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a compact balcony. And there you have it. Those were the top 8 coolest gadgets you will want to buy, all available on Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and gadget showcases. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.